Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering on the LG Smart TV and grabbing the remote. This is the only controller that reliably reaches system menus. Once done, make sure the TV stays plugged into a steady outlet. Loss of power during a factory reset can corrupt firmware. Now press the settings button or press the gear icon in the launcher, because you're going straight into the system settings to start the factory restore. This step ensures you're in the right place and ready to proceed without interruptions. You navigate through all settings into General and select Reset to Initial Settings, since that option triggers the factory reset sequence. When prompted, enter your TV PIN. The default is often 0000 unless you updated it earlier, so use that or your custom code. After entering the PIN, you'll see clear prompts explaining which data will be removed, apps, accounts, network configurations, so read them and confirm. This step executes the wipe and revert settings to how the TV shipped. You watch the TV reboot automatically. This can take several minutes as the system reinitializes. Once the setup wizard appears, follow on-screen prompts to reconnect Wi-Fi, sign into your accounts, and reinstall apps. This restores basic functionality. Make sure to reapply any picture or sound presets you previously used. If the TV fails to complete the reset or hangs during startup, try unplugging HDMI devices. Perform a full power cycle, and if that doesn't help, contact LG support for possible firmware recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.